I'm Ralph Danielmeyer, the CEO of BlueSnap. So what we do is we help merchants sell online globally. And our company was founded in Israel about 8 years ago. And the last couple of years, we just moved to Boston, the hub of mobile payments here, and started marketing ourselves to a lot of merchants in the area. So I've been in the payment space for about 25 years, worked in 4 software companies, worked in a bank, and I've never seen the pace of innovation and change and disruption that's going on right now. And I think what some people don't realize is there's quite a bit of abandonment that's happened. There's quite a bit of infrastructure that's put in place, and I think some of you guys may or may not know this, but some facts I put together. The first phone, smartphone was developed in 1993. I bet people didn't realize that. And now there's more cell phones than working toilets. So this space has exploded. 1 in 5 people in the world on a smartphone, and when you lose the phone, it takes 16 minutes to report it versus 26 hours to lose the wallet. So, and then I think we have these little diseases. I'm sure some of you guys may know of some of these called no-long-phobia. Anyone know what that means? It's the fear of being without your phone. Seriously, yes, of course, know this. I have this other one called ring anxiety. Does everyone wake up and think their phone's ringing? I mean, I have this problem. It's ringing constantly. So it's all around us. What are we going to do with these phones? Well, you know what? We're going to buy stuff. We're going to constantly buy stuff. So let me talk a little bit about the market. It's exploding. It's growing at 200% faster than the e-commerce market. It's going to be $1 trillion in the next couple of years, and 72% of people on tablets are buying things on their phone. Britain just hit 18% of people making purchases on their cell phones. 61% of people are buying their phones. It's basically it's easy, have a good experience or a good opinion of the brand. However, what's going wrong? We'll talk about that for a second. Abandonment. You just saw the stat. 67% of people abandon a shopping cart, where a mobile phone is up to 97%. So we have all this success going on and all this abandonment happening on the phone. And some of the reasons why things are abandoned, and you guys probably know whoever's buying with their phone right now, is it takes too long. You got to re-enter your information on the phone. The card information may not be stored. And maybe you're saying, thank God, this just happened at Target. But that is a problem. The checkout is overly complicated with the phone. It's not optimized for the phone. You're pinching, you're screening. You've seen people where you have information, or letters come up over the information that you're entering on the phone. And probably most important for people outside the States, the Americans may not understand this, but it's not local. It's not in their language, it's not in their currency, and it's not in their payment types. And so this is why demand is so hard. So us at BlueSnap are helping merchants succeed in m-commerce. 2 simple things. A, making it easy. I don't know if anyone's used the Uber app, but how cool and easy is that? That is simple to use. The second thing is storing information, returning shoppers, Amazon and iTunes, really, really easy to use. And then making it local, having multiple options for payments, and things like zip card, where you can pay monthly, quarterly, or annually, or actually you can pay in their language or payment types like Dell. So this actually solves the technology and the payment space together. So this is how we're solving the payments problem.
Okay, so we have popped over to the BlueSnap website. We had an opportunity to hear from the speaker, so let's take a look at the website to see what additional information we can learn from the site. So here we go. It's going to be bluesnap.com if you wanted to get to the website on your own and check it out, which I highly recommend. So let's start with these above tabs. It says, why BlueSnap? And I'm sure all you guys are asking yourselves that question. It has a couple of options here that talks about the global payment process, e-commerce, and subscriptions. I think we should probably start here. All right, so it says that BlueSnap provides one of the most secure and flexible online payments, and it kind of breaks it down right here. Smarter global payment gateway, so it accepts local debit and credit cards. It integrates with the e-wallets such as PayPal and Shrill, and leverage a variety of alternative payments so that you can use wires and bank transfers and e-checks and things like that. So it talks about the flexibility and the different options you can use with BlueSnap. Let's see here. Fully localized, okay. And this is something that was mentioned in the video as well. It's going to be in your language, your currency, which is valuable for people using BlueSnap in other countries. And it seems here that it is also integrated by having an accurate display of the local currency. So a little bit about what we were seeing up above, covers fluctuation exchange rates. All right. Processing experts. It's a single point integration to multiple acquirers around the world, smart transaction routing and account management, and then security, data center infrastructure, fraud protection. This is very important. Advanced automatic fraud protection. Let's take a closer look at this. All right, so it says here that it prevents fraud, and it's available to all the merchants, and it checks against AVS and CW2. So AVS refers to a system used to verify the billing address, and the CW2 refers to a 3-digit code that's on the back of the credit card. All right, and then it kind of breaks it down here by security, the data structures, some of the same options we saw on the previous page. So let's go back. And here's some videos. Now I love showing videos, watching videos. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few of these so we can learn a little bit more about the company. Okay, so let's take a look at the Snap Mobile by BlueSnap. Let's take a look at this video.
Commerce is changing, radically changing. The general store of the past is now in the palm of your hand. The rapid adoption of the smartphone has put online shopping at your fingertips, anywhere, anytime. The number of people shopping via mobile devices increased 166% in the past year alone, and that number is only going to rise. Even traditional retail establishments are watching as people buy online from within their stores. Did you ever wonder who powers that checkout transaction? BlueSnap has been powering the checkout experience for thousands of merchants worldwide, and now has made it even easier with the Snap mobile platform. All of the great features, functionality, and global reach you've come to expect in a newly simplified user experience. Optimized for any mobile or tablet device, processing credit and debit card or PayPal transactions quickly and easily without having to conquer the cumbersome interface or unnecessary wait times of other e-commerce providers. BlueSnap knows that we are an extension of every merchant brand we represent, and our goal is to provide the most robust, user-friendly, and seamless experience possible. Bringing the ease of e-commerce, e-marketing tools that help you convert more shoppers to buyers, as well as an extensive payment processing network. Snap Mobile is the next generation platform that lets you keep up with the demanding needs of today's market, simply putting the power to purchase in your hands. BlueSnap. Let's grow together.
All right, now let's take a look at the pricing, because we all hold this to be a very important component in making a decision on what products to purchase. So we're looking at BlueSnap's pricing. Rates as low as 2.9% plus 30 cents. Well, let's see what that refers to. So if you want to actually use BlueSnap, you have to send an email. It says all that a basic gateway offers plus more. So it shows the API, the intelligent payment routing, data hosting, multi-language shopping carts, multiple currency, Okay. So this is BlueSnap, and here's their website. Stop by, take a look, and see what they have to offer.